Hello everyone, my name is Erllya Hana Syafirah. You can call me Erly. Okay, I will you how to make lemon iced tea. First of all, I will introduce the ingredients. We have lemon, hot water, sugar, and tea. For the equipment we have spoon, glass, and knife. The first step, put enough sugar into the glass. Then add hot water. Then stir until the sugar is soft. If it's let's enter a pack of tea. One. If you have cut the lemon and squeeze it. Then stir until the lemon flavor is mixed with the tea. Put ice cube in the glass. Lemon iced tea is ready. Let's try. The taste is very good. Don't forget to try it at home. The ingredients are very easy to find. Thanks for watching my video.